Good day, everyone. Good day, Alan. I'll be presenting to you the structure by yours truly, Samson Bernales. First of all, why make a change? Basically, we make a change because we needed to make a change. And if we make changes, what are the implications of these changes? I am taking the shoes of Shannon Levy, the new CEO of High Street Properties. Why? Basically, she was hired because she has led a digital transformation that gave her employer an advantage in using data and technology to manage properties and client services. Now, as Shannon Levy, I was given a mandate by Bill Fife or Bill Fife, the board chair, to fix it without breaking it. Meaning, I will fix this company without dismantling it, without firing anyone. Although I was given a go signal if I needed to, I can do that. But being a transformational leader, I have the duty to fix this company without dismantling it. Now, for the company profile, it was founded in London after World War II. High Street had given the wave of Europe's reconstruction to become one of the region's dominant retail real estate players, growing through strategic mergers and acquisitions that broadened its services, offerings, and geographic reach. The company's culture rewarded deep industry knowledge, local market expertise, and commitment to client-centric solutions. Therefore, for the past years, we were thriving. However, we were confronted with the present problems. The kind of problems are, first, the consumer shift to e-commerce. People now are enjoying ordering something right at the comfort of their homes. By you just using the laptop, by just using their phones, they can order goods and services right at the comfort of their homes. Basically, there's no need to go to malls because of that. Now, during the COVID-19 mall closures, people were actually forced not to go to the malls. People were actually forced to use these services, to use the e-commerce, to use their laptop, to use their cell phones in ordering. And people realized the convenience of this e-commerce in ordering something, in getting their goods, in getting their services right at the comfort of their homes. And there is the internal discord over strategy that the company was managed by underperforming people. Now, our action plan. First is we'll make this mall a destination outlet malls. Destination outlet malls featuring off-price luxury brands items that weren't available online, creating a treasure hunt experience that appealed to shoppers and competitive mode against the threat of e-commerce. Those things that are not being provided online, not are present in the e-commerce, will provide that in our malls. We'll also provide sales that cannot be done when ordering online. So people will be encouraged to go to our malls and we'll have this retail payment. The industry has begun using the term retailtainment, referring to a variety of methods and techniques that provide customers with unique experience and put them in the mood to buy. We'll make this mall beautiful. We'll make the mall an enjoyable experience for the people to go. That people would not go there just to buy item, but people wanted to go there to enjoy and experience the new malling environment. Now I will be employing James Collins' philosophy, that is to get the right people in the right seats. Therefore, I am hiring David Kahn to evaluate the broader team. His firm can also provide coaching to any team members who are to get aligned with the new strategy. I do not want to fire people who are underperforming. I want to give all the support you needed, even that includes coaching support. All I wanted is your cooperation. Let's make this happen. Now, what kind of leader am I? First of all, I am a transformational leader. Transformational leader is defined that followers have the opportunity to reach their full potential, can initiate, develop, and carry out significant change. That's why I'm hiring Jim Collins for you to be coach, for you to reach your full potential, and for you to develop and carry out change in this company. And also, I am an authentic leader. It is characterized with confidence, optimism, transparency, morality, and committed to developing followers. I do not want to fire you, but I want you to develop for you to reach your full potential. I have the confidence that you can do it, and I look forward of seeing those change for us to change this company for the better. Thank you very much. This is Sam Junior Bernales.